पेडण्या नेदरलँडाचे चलयेर सुर्यान हल्लो करपी दुबाविताक पेडणे पुलिशेन निमाणो धरलो. मेळिल्ले म्हायती प्रमाण हो दुबावीत 29 वेर राती कडेन पर्यटक चलयेचे कुडीन घुशिल्लो. ताका पळोवन हे चलयेन व्हडल्यान आड्डो मारपाक सुरवात केल्ली. चली बोवाळ घालता म्हूण ताणें तिका सुर्यान मारपाची धमकी दिल्ली. चलयेचो आवाज आयकून शेजाऱ्याक रावपी एकलो पर्यटक चलयेचे कुडीन गेलो. उपरांत दुबावितान दोगांचेरूय सुर्यान हल्लो करून थंयच्यान पळ काडिल्लो.
On the intervening night of 28th and 29th, the victim was alone in her room. She found that around 2 o'clock in the night, the light was on and somebody was standing in the room. Seeing that, she immediately screamed for help. When she started screaming for help, the alleged accused tried to catch hold of her mouth and tried to threaten her. If she screamed, he will try to create problems for her. Hearing her scream, a person who was nearby in the resort itself, he came running to the room. He tried to help her from the hold of accused. The accused got a knife and attacked the person who came to the room to help the victim. The person who came to help was injured. In that, the victim girl was also injured. After that, the accused ran away from the spot. As soon as the information was received in Pernem police station, we registered an FIR under section 452, 354, 307, 5062 of IPC and immediately took up the investigation. A team was formed and in tracing the accused, and accused was nabbed and he was arrested. His identity is Abhishek, basically from Dehradun. In late 20s. He has been working in the same hotel for last 2 to 2.5 years. The accused has been put under arrest and the investigation is in progress.